Hello guys, hello good people. It's an honor for me to be sharing this piece of information that I have in relation to my course that I did with ACCA Bill School of Accountancy. Well, there are a lot of things that I could share in relation to how I started. From the beginning, I was very nervous. I thought I was never going to pass this exam. However, the course that you are given by a bill is very strong. It is enough for you to get 50%. If you want to get more than 50%, you just need to put just a little bit of extra effort. Then you are finding yourself in the top 10 in your country, or even top 5 worldwide. How does a bill do his courses? Well, there are pre-recorded lectures that he gives you, and these are very short, enough for you to finish them before your concentration lifespan runs out. There are also other marathon or grand revision classes in which he covers more than one topics within a period of an hour or so. The whole syllabus can be finished within 5 lectures, if I'm not mistaken, on the grand revision classes. He also provides mocks as well as he marks them after providing them to you. He provides feedback. There is a team, a very dedicated team, that is going to provide feedback for you, telling you the areas that you did well as well as the areas that you need to improve on. When I wrote my mock, I got less than or below standard, but because of the team, the encouragement that they gave me, I remember one of them told me, just give it your all, put more effort, and then I find myself in the top 5. In fact, I was in the first position in my country here in Zimbabwe. So what can I tell you? ATX, it is possible. You can pass it. It is very possible to pass ATX even if you studied a different variant in your home country, or you did not even study F6 at all due to the exemptions. Just do your lectures, attend the revision classes, as well as write the mock, and practice, and practice. You are going to pass. You are guaranteed to pass. Thank you.